Welcome to Math with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
This is the question from NCERT, exercise 7.1, question number 7. Finding the points on x-axis which is equidistant from 2 points. So, whenever equidistance is given, so don't take midpoint because they have not mentioned it is a midpoint. It is just an equidistant. So, this is also possible. It can be like this. So, 2 points can be equidistant to this, which is not a midpoint because it's not lying on the straight line. So, we cannot take this. So, here only we have to apply the two distances. You are going to say PA is equal to PB. And one more thing, the given point is lying on the x-axis. That means value of y will be 0. So, these two are the main important points what we have to know from the question itself. So, now let us just start doing it. First, we shall say let the point on x-axis be P x comma 0 because it is lying on the x-axis. And given points are these two. Write that also, whatever it is given. And P is equidistant from A and B. This is given to us, which implies PA is equal to PB. So, we directly apply the distance formula here. So, we can say the distance formula here and we can apply it here. If you want to write the distance formula for this, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is PA. And this is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First we shall do with PA. P is known x comma 0, call it as x1 y1. Next is A. A is given to be 2 comma minus 5, call it as x2 y2. Proceed with this. So what is x2? x2 is 2. x1 is x. 2 minus x whole square. y2 is minus 5, but here y1 is 0 square. Now the next one, PB. So we take B here, minus 2 comma 9. This will stay as it is x1 y1. Now x2 y2 will be the B values. So this will be minus 2 minus x whole square plus 9 minus 0 whole square. This much we have done. Now you can simplify the rest here in the square root itself. This is 2 minus x whole square plus minus 5 whole square. Here in this case minus can be taken common factor 2 plus x whole square. So this minus automatically will become positive because minus into minus plus. Now this is 9 square. Now we will continue saying that squaring on both the side. So both are having the square root. So we can square on both the side here. So we shall say here squaring on both the side. Squaring on both sides. So what it will happen? When we square on both the side, we will do like this. This is what we do, squaring on both the side. So square and square root will be get cancelled. So you are left the things without square root. Minus 5 square, write it as it is. This minus 2 will be taken up as a positive. So I just write this much, 9 square. Now this is A minus B whole square formula. You people are well known, A square, 2 square plus x square minus 2ab, that is 4x plus 25. So for those who are getting confused, I applied A minus B whole square formula here, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab I have applied. This is 2 plus x whole square, which is a plus b whole square formula. So this will go everything with plus. So a plus b, you people know everything will be plus. Just apply the formula. Now it is just mere simplification. X square, you can take this x square on the left hand side. This will become negative, so get cancelled. 4 taken on the other side. This will also get cancelled. Suppose if you are getting confused how I cancel, see this is 4. If this 4 has taken here, it will become minus 4 plus x square. If this x square has taken here, it will become minus x square. So this will be getting cancelled. So if you are having the two things on both the sides of the equal sign with the same sign, you can always cancel them. So 4x taken on the other side, 81 on this side. So this will become 4x plus 4x. So now what we are going to get the answer. We shall continue here further. So on subtracting this minus 56, this is equal to 8x, which implies x is minus 56 by 8 we are going to get, which will give you 7, which implies x is minus 7. What is the value of p? P is just x comma 0, which is minus 7 comma 0, which is the required point. So this is the required point. So remember this could be one of the important sum.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
This is the question again from NCERT, exercise 7.1, question number 8. This is also one of the important questions for the exam. Find the value of y for which the distance between the points P and Q is 10 units. Distance is given to be 10 units. That is, even you can write it either like this, or PQ is given to be 10 units. And P and Q values are given. P is given to be 2 comma minus 3, call it as x1, y1. Q is given to be 10 comma y, call it as x2, y2. So what is PQ? We can write the distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. PQ, the distance is given, write 10 inside the square root, x2 minus x1, that is 10 minus 2 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, y minus of minus 3. Remember, this minus is the formula sign, this is the given. So please, there you should be careful while putting. So this will be 10 minus 2, 8 square plus y minus of minus plus 3 square. Now again, whenever you see the square root, to remove that we say squaring on both the side. So we say the same here also, squaring on both the side. Squaring on both sides. This will become 10 square. This will be 8 square plus y plus 3 square whole square. So this square and square root goes, this will become 100. This is 8 square plus y plus 3 whole square. Now just complete the simplification. You will end up with your answer. You get the value of y here. $100, 64 plus a plus b whole square formula, y square plus 3 square plus 2ab 6y. So we will end up with the quadratic equation here. This will be y square plus 6y plus 64 plus 9, which will give you 73 minus 100, which will become 0. Now we just solve the quadratic equation. We get the values of y here. Y square plus 6y, this will be minus 27. So 27, we have 3 9s are 27. 9 minus 3 will give you 6. So we can directly do here 9 into 3, 27 plus 9 minus 3 will give you plus 6. So this will be highly suitable here. So take the values 9y minus 3y minus 27 is equal to 0. Y is the common factor. Minus 3, y plus 9. You people know how to solve this. Y plus 9 and this is y minus 3 which is equal to 0. So when the two products are 0, that means either one of them should be 0 or both should be 0. So I can say here y plus 9 is 0 or y minus 3 is 0. That means y is equal to 9 or y is equal to plus 3. Because it's a quadratic, we get the two values. So you write both the values, y is equal to minus 9 or y is equal to plus 3.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
Okay, this is the question. Find relation between x, this is x and y, such that the points xy is equidistant from the given 2 points. Here we are finding the relation, so we get an equation here. So the given point here, this is xy is equidistant. Suppose if I am calling it as P and this is equidistant from A, I am giving this, and B, let it be this. This is equidistant from both of them. That means what? PA is equal to PB. Again the same thing we are going to apply here. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. P x comma y, which will be x1 y1. First we go with PA, so A, which is x2 y2. Let us go. x2 3, x1 x, so 3 minus x whole square plus y2 is 6 minus y, 6 minus y whole square. For the second one, we take the value of B as x2 y2. So minus 3 minus x whole square plus 4 minus y whole square. So again here we can say squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both sides. On squaring we can easily remove the square roots here. So on removing the square roots we will continue. So this will become 3 minus x whole square. This is 6 minus y whole square. This is minus 3 minus x. If I have taken minus 3 common factor, this will be whole square. 4 minus y whole square. Apply a minus b whole square formula for this again. This minus into minus will become plus. If you want, you can put it in the next step or directly also you can do it. This minus into minus, so this is just 3 plus x whole square. 4 minus y whole square. Apply a plus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula for this particular equation. Now this is 3 minus x, 3 square 9 plus x square, 3 minus 2ab, so minus 6x, 6 square will give you 36 plus y square minus 12y. If you have confusion, you can do like this also, a minus b whole square, 6 square plus y square minus 2 into a into b. So this will give you the same answer. If you are with the confusion, you can do like this also. Now this is 3 plus x whole square, 9 plus x square plus 6x. This is 16 plus y square minus 8y. We are going to get x square goes, y square goes. So we are left with only x and y. So we can just conclude with this. So taking everything on the right hand side, this is 6x. This minus 6x will become plus 6x. Then we are having minus 8y. This will become plus 12y. This is 36 will become here. We can take this plus 9 plus 16 minus 9 and minus 36 will be equal to 0. So these two will go here. This will give me 12x. This is plus 4y and this is minus 20 is equal to 0. Now you take the common factor here for this. Taking the common factor, 4 can be taken common factor. 4 3s are 1s are 5 is equal to 0. 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. That is the relation you can leave, or even you can say 3x plus y is equal to 5. Even you can leave at this answer. So both are correct.
Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any particular sum to be solved, put it in the comment box. I try to make a video on that.